Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the PatioMage Ergonomic office chair. This is actually the second PatioMage office chair I've owned, and both of them have been excellent in terms of quality and comfort. I spend most of my day working at a desk, so having a good office chair is extremely important to me. My previous PatioMage chair was covered in fabric, and after several years of daily use, the seat cushion and armrests eventually wore out. When it came time to replace it, I contacted PatioMage customer service because I was hoping to buy the exact same chair again. It had served me very well over the years. Unfortunately, that model had been discontinued. However, their support team recommended this newer mesh version instead, and I have to say, I'm really glad they did. Assembly was fairly straightforward thanks to the detailed instructions. The only thing I would mention is that this chair is surprisingly solid and quite heavy. It is difficult to hold some of the parts and build them at the same time. If possible, having an extra set of hands nearby will definitely make the process easier. That being said, I actually consider the weight a positive thing because it reflects the quality of the materials being used. The chair feels sturdy, durable, and well built. I purchased this chair during the summer when temperatures were still pretty high, and one of the first things I noticed was how much cooler it felt compared to my old fabric chair. The mesh back allows air to flow through easily, especially when a fan is running in the room. Instead of trapping heat against my back, the chair stays cool and comfortable throughout the day. The mesh itself has a nice amount of flexibility and support, and honestly, I never found myself missing the traditional foam back cushion. The backrest can be reclined, and the extendable footrest slides out from underneath the seat. Together, these features allow me to lean back, stretch out, close my eyes, and relax for a few minutes whenever I need a break. From the outside, it might look like I'm leaning back a little too far, but the chair feels remarkably stable and secure in that position. This chair doesn't rock backward as a single unit. Instead, there's a lever on the side that allows you to lock or unlock the backrest. When unlocked, only the back portion of the chair reclines, while the base remains stable. Personally, I don't see this as a disadvantage. In fact, I think it makes the chair more versatile and practical. Still, it's something potential buyers should know before making a purchase. Something else I like about this chair is the wide shoulders. I'm not a big person, but I feel that the wide back is great when I'm reclined because I have some freedom of movement to position my body just right. In conclusion, office chairs are not cheap, but for someone like me who works at a desk every single day, I see this PatioMage chair as a worthwhile investment. It doesn't carry the premium price tag of some of the well-known office chair brands, yet it offers many of the same features and comfort benefits. In some ways, I think it even goes beyond what those more expensive options provide. If you're looking for a comfortable, durable, and versatile office chair for daily use, the PatioMage Ergonomic office chair is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.